Today is a day to remember the brave men and women who risked their lives and lost their lives for the sake of this country on this blessed Memorial Day. This tribute is to those of all armed forces that have risked and made the ultimate sacrifice for the people of the United States of America. Thank you. From the Weekly Brick.